Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today I'll show how to use WhatsApp on laptop. For using WhatsApp on computer, we need to download and install WhatsApp in our computer. QR code from your mobile to login. Now we are running two different WhatsApp accounts from one laptop. This was how we can use two WhatsApp on laptop. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video. Thank you for staying with 5 Minute Solution.